Hi everyone, welcome to Knacklers workshop and another weekend workshop tip. And today we're going to look at a process that I found how to prevent rusting. And I made this, the next part of the video I made quite a while ago when the workshop was downstairs. But let me just, I'll run that bit of tape and then I'll come back, yeah? Okay. Hi everyone, so here we got a bit of a tip on how to try and stop your tools rusting. So I saw this one on a very old video, quite a long time ago, and effectively all you do is get a jar of Vic Vapor Rub or a little pot. This is just a small one for an experiment. Take the lid off. Let's, I'll just move you over to the voice and then I'll show you what to do. One. No need for an index and table. Two. Three. Screw the lid on. So now we've got 3 little holes in our Vic. Okay, so as you've seen, pretty simple. Just drill 3 holes into the lid of it, and then all you do, I'll take you off the tripod and then I'll show you what we do. So we just take our one, just take it to your toolbox. So here we've got our, and you just place it in the bottom drawer, and the camphor will permeate up through the different drawers and help prevent rust. I was unsure about this, but if you look on Wikipedia, you can see it does explain that camphor is a rust preventative. I don't get too much rust here in the Knacklers workshop. I'm very fortunate, but it would be really interesting to see if some of the other guys, 𝗂's workshop in Wales and John in John's workshop up in Scotland, I know they have some rust problems. So it will be good for them to have a go and see whether it does actually help. One other slight thought I had was if you have a cover, if you've got a cover over your lathe when you're not in use, to actually have one underneath, one of the Vic underneath there, that may also help prevent any rusting. Okay, so that's it for today's weekend workshop tip. As always, if you check out the playlist, something for the weekend, and hopefully there might be a few other tips that may be of use. So until then, stay happy, strong and healthy, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheerio.